Two analytics giants, Google Analytics versus Mixpanel. One big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, Google Analytics 4, the go-to tool for marketing insights. And on the right, Mixpanel, the specialist for truly understanding user behavior. Let's skip the feature lists and get right to the practical differences. Each category scores points, and at the end, you'll see exactly which platform comes out on top. The result might surprise you, especially in 2025. All right, here's a quick mind map so you know what's coming up. We're going to compare primary focus, customization and tracking, reporting and analysis, real-time data, integrations, pricing, who they're best for, and the learning curve. Ready? Let's get started. Okay, let's kick things off with primary focus. With Google Analytics, you're getting super solid marketing analytics. Think easy campaign and source attribution, big picture web reports, all that stuff marketers love. But if you're looking for deep insights into what users are actually doing inside your app, it's kind of limited. Now, Mixpanel flips the script a bit. It's really all about serious product and user behavior analytics. You can track flexible events in complex flows. So whether you've got a simple funnel or something wild going on, Mixpanel's got your back. Setup can be a little more involved, but the payoff, if you want to know why users do things, totally worth it. So for this category, Mixpanel slides into the lead. Next, let's look at customization and tracking. Google Analytics. It's pretty easy to get rolling. And yeah, it does have automatic plus custom event tracking for the basics. But when you want to get super granular, like you want to track every single quirky user action or build really rich user profiles, it can be a bit restrictive. Mixpanel is like the Wild West for customization. You decide exactly what to track, you get full control, and detail that's honestly kinda impressive. Of course, you'll need to wrangle a bit of technical setup, but if you're into nitty-gritty, Mixpanel is in another league. So again, Mixpanel takes it here. Now, this is where things get spicy. Reporting and analysis. Google Analytics rolls out with tons of ready-made dashboards. You want to see acquisition, engagement, retention? Boom. All laid out. It's awesome for checking your typical web metrics, but if you want truly custom reporting or to dig into complex user journeys, you might hit some walls. And large datasets? That sampling thing can sneak up on you. Unless you want to drop some serious cash for GA360. Mixpanel, on the other hand, is all about custom funnels, cohorts, in-depth retention. Like, you can follow a single user's path from start to finish. And get this, no sampling, even at high volume. The catch? You're going to need to climb a steeper learning curve. Still, for anyone obsessed with deep analysis, Mixpanel wins this one. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Mixpanel lets you track up to 20 million free events every month. That's kinda massive, especially if you're building something that's really growing fast. Let's talk real-time data. Google Analytics, sure, gives you real-time overview of your traffic and some events, but if your site's booming, there can be lag or delays, plus sampling if things get too wild. Mixpanel comes in with almost instant event tracking, live funnel updates, live cohort changes. If you need your data right now, Mixpanel is definitely the move for speed junkies. Winner here, no surprise, Mixpanel wins again. On to integrations. Google Analytics is, well, super cozy with Google's own stuff. Ads, Search Console, BigQuery. If you live in that world, smooth sailing. But outside the big G, it's kind of limited. Mixpanel gets along with a whole crowd. CRMs, data warehouses, Slack, Amplitude, Segment. Basically, it's up for group projects, but some integrations do need a little tech elbow grease. Still, it covers a lot. Honestly, both tools are pretty strong here, so it's a tie. Time for everyone's favorite topic, pricing. Google Analytics wins big with its free tier. For most websites, you're set. No need to pay unless you level up to Enterprise. And whoa, GA360 is crazy expensive. Plus, no event caps at the standard level. That's sweet if you're just starting out. Mixpanel does offer a free plan, and you get up to 20 million events per month, which is honestly pretty generous. Paid plans start around $20 per month, but as you scale up, so do your costs. So event-heavy apps might want to watch that budget. For most folks looking for free and easy, Google Analytics is the clear winner. Now, best four. Google Analytics is basically the go-to for marketers, agencies, web analysts, standard e-commerce shops. This is your bread and butter. Mixpanel is a bit more specialized. If you've got a product team, or you're a startup, or you want hardcore retention and cohort analysis on your app, it's made for you. So depending on your crowd, they both kinda win. Let's call it a tie. Learning curve. Google Analytics is super quick to set up, and there are tons of guides, templates, tutorials. You'll be up and running before you can say conversion rate. But like the really advanced stuff does take a bit of effort. Mixpanel is much more powerful. But here's the thing, it will ask your devs for help. If you're non-technical, it's a steep climb, no way around it. For the average user, Google Analytics is way easier to learn. So Google Analytics wins this round. Let's pause and take a quick look at a radar chart comparing both platforms across all these categories. You'll see Google Analytics shines in pricing and ease of use, but Mixpanel completely dominates on tracking customization and deep analysis. So, what's the takeaway? If you want quick, free, and marketing-focused insights for your website, Google Analytics is absolutely your friend. But if you're out here needing deep, customizable, action-based data, like understanding user journeys, product tweaks, and retention, Mixpanel is the move. Each has their quirks, but if you want seriously next-level user analytics, Mixpanel edges out in most categories. Hey, thanks for sticking with me through this comparison. If you found this helpful, go ahead and bookmark it. You'll be way ahead when it comes to analytics tools.